Linguistic varieties. Linguistic varieties is a term in sociolinguistics which refers to differences in the language used by speakers from different backgrounds. Linguistic varieties itu adalah salah satu istilah dalam sosiolinguistik yang mengacu pada perbedaan-perbedaan yang terdapat dalam bahasa yang digunakan oleh penutur dari latar belakang yang berbeda. The following is an explanation of four most common types of linguistic varieties. First, standard language. Standard language is a language refers to the dictionary that has special place in multilingual society as a result of social, economic, and political influence. For example of a standard language in Indonesian is Standard Indonesian. Standard Indonesian is used in formal situations such as in meetings, speeches, or writing scientific papers. Second is vernacular language. Vernacular language are languages that are not standardized, have native speakers, are generally used for informal function, and are the first language learned by multilingual society. For the example of vernacular language in Indonesia is non-standard Indonesian. Non-standard Indonesian is used in everyday conversation, such as in the use of slang words or regional languages. Third is lingua franca. Lingua franca is a language used as a language of communication between two or more people who have different language in a multilingual society. For the example of lingua franca is I'm from North Sumatra and I use Batak language, and my friend from the West Sumatra and she use Minang language. Then when we're talking, we use Indonesian language. The last is Pidgin and Creole. Pidgin is a connecting language that functions as a means of communication language, while Creole is a pidgin that has been passed down to new generation through as their mother tongue, so that Creole has native speakers and experiencing development. An example of pidgin is Melayu Pasar, which is used in Indonesia as an intermediary language between speakers of Indonesian and regional languages. An example of a Creole is the Tok Pisin language, which is used in Papua New Guinea as the mother tongue of most of the population.